Welcome to an introduction of the Ivanti Neurons for Healing solution. Ivanti Neurons for Healing is part of the Ivanti Neurons hyperautomation platform suite of solutions and supports the broader suite of Ivanti solutions that focus on helping organizations gain control of their IT assets and effectively discover, manage, secure, and service those assets. Ivanti Neurons for Healing includes many sample automation bots that are constantly searching for potential device issues and vulnerabilities, flagging those vulnerabilities, and resolving them automatically before they cause harm to your environment and impact your employee productivity. The pre-built sample bots include such things as detection of failing batteries, antivirus compliance issues, application crashes, verifying disk encryption, and many others. Besides the sample bots, Ivanti Neurons for Healing customers can create their own powerful healing bots by dragging queries and actions to the design palette from the staging area. For example, if we wish to detect and alert users when their device is low on disk space, we simply drag the free disk space query to the design palette. We'll set the parameters then on the right-hand side configuration settings, and if we wish to follow this up with a clean disk action, we'll simply drag a clean disk action to the palette. We may also wish to recheck to see if we've recovered sufficient space, so we'll add a second free disk space check and set parameters for that. We can also add a decision process so that if we didn't meet our goal, the bot will notify the service desk. So we'll need to go and add a notify service desk action. Next, we will establish process flow by drawing a connector between these queries and actions. With the process flow defined, we'll next want to finish up by giving our bot a name, defining a category, picking a group of target assets we're going to check, and then set the status to active. And with that, our bot will immediately begin detecting and resolving disk space issues. Ivanti Neurons for Healing includes a marketplace of available bot components for download and a place where you can create your own custom staging components. Ivanti Neurons for Healing is a powerful solution to help you in your efforts to shift left, to reduce time spent servicing common issues, and to help in your efforts to delight your employees with superior service in the everywhere workplace. For further information, please reach out to your Ivanti account executive.